Smart Code Migration Tool by Diligent Global. Welcome to the demo of Smart Code Migration Tool. This is ATC dashboard. After executing the transaction code ZATC_MP, this screen is your control center. You can access features like ATC analysis, quick fix, unit testing, documentation, dual maintenance, and lift and shift. We will cover all these features in this demo. Start with ATC analysis to upload your ATC log file for code analysis. This step helps identify and classify code issues for further action. Once the log is uploaded, the system displays the issues by priority level and indicates which ones can be resolved using the Quick Fix functionality. With Quick Fix, the system automatically applies corrections to selected code issues, reducing manual effort by 85% and ensuring consistency. Unit testing of reports is time-consuming and error-prone. The Smart Code Migration Tool's unit testing module automates testing. First, provide the report name, a variant that exists on both systems, and the RFC destination. After execution, the results display the status and time comparison between source and target systems at line item level. A match means your code is consistent across environments. Create documentation by entering the relevant program name and object number. The system will generate structured output for review or archiving. The dual maintenance module in the tool allows you to check for changes across transports. Simply input your TR range to view object updates. Lift and shift module helps move code efficiently. Choose between downloading from or uploading to your local folders. Provide the transport request and target folder path. The system exports program objects as editable text files. To import code, input the same TR and folder path. The system will read the text files and recreate the programs in your system. A confirmation screen shows success messages for each file. This validates that your programs were uploaded and created correctly. Smart Code Migration Tool has an ATC dashboard for analysis, fixing, to testing, documentation, and system transfers. The tool helps to accelerate ECC to S/4 migration project delivery and maintain code quality across your SAP landscape.